We got Richard here standing out in a blizzard. As you can see, there's a ton of blowing snow out here. The drifting is terrible, and it is cold as crap. As you can see, he doesn't look very happy.
Snow and blizzard conditions still continuing in the area. 24th away from 21 midway.
Usually you travel up this road doing about 45. I can't see a thing from
weather meteorologist Josh Nagelberg on Chicago's weather station, News Radio 780.
Pretty sure there's a middle of the road here somewhere.
Let's see. Look at my hair. My hair is freaking frozen actually from the ice. I made it to the gas station. Drove to the gas station to get 3 goddamn sodas. Whatever I meant to say, you know.
Going to clean 4 inches per hour. Some small hail has been reported with thinner snow, as well as many cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. Snowdrift 3 feet and higher. Wind chills in the single digits above and below zero. Travel nearly impossible. It is highly recommended to ride out this storm from the comfort of your home, as venturing outside is outright dangerous. All but emergency or absolutely necessary travel should be postponed.
Well, this was an absolute emergency.
Or abandoned their cars. And now for the nearshore marine forecast. For waters within 5 nautical miles of shore on Lake Michigan, from Winthrop Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Storm warning in effect through Wednesday morning.
Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago. You are listening to NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI-41, serving the north and northwest suburbs, including Woodstock, Libertyville, and Ogden.
The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Kenosha, and Walmart. A blizzard warning remains in effect.
The snowdrift goes halfway up the door. Well, there's my car. The edit of the snowdrift. Passing the Durango's front. You got the Outback. I don't even talk about the Dakota.